வணக்கம். கோர்ஸ் கான்செப்ட்ஸ். Multi-currency accounting system. Transacting in two different currencies is known as multi-currency accounting. In ERP Next software, we can make accounting entries in multiple currencies. For example, if you have a bank account in foreign currency, you can make transactions in that currency and the system will show bank balances in that specific currency only. Multi-currency accounting software is a specific type of accounting software that helps record profits and liabilities in any base currency after being converted from any number of transaction currencies. We can use multi-currency accounting to manage all accounts in their original currency and can make central valuations of forex position accounts rather than in the individual balance sheet accounts. The forex positions document the currency risk and show currency fluctuations separately from operational profits and losses. The system creates the multi-currency accounting balance sheet based on the balances in the original currency. We can maintain the general ledger up to 3 currencies. A multi-currency general ledger enables to determine the currency risk. It contains functions for evaluating FX position and for creating the general ledger in the functional currency. You can manage both bank transactions in foreign currency and transactions shown in the foreign currency that results from performing a service, also known as implicit FX swap. Here FX refers forex, foreign exchange. For the purpose of accounting, taxation and reporting, it is necessary to calculate the corresponding amounts in functional currency for revenues and expenses that are displayed in currencies that are not the functional currency. An audit trail leads back to the source amount and original currency of the profit or loss. Banana accounting. Banana accounting is an Excel-like software, multi-language and multi-currency to quickly prepare balance sheets, profit and loss statements, budgets, cash plans, VAT reports and invoices anywhere in the world. It can be used for any small company, non-profit organization, private individuals and ideal for teaching and learning accounting. The software offers users over 1,000 ready-to-use templates. Banana accounting is cloud-based accounting software for small companies, private individuals, associates and auxiliary accounting management. The software is fully customizable and was specifically designed for any small company, private individuals or non-profit organization. This is used now in the current system in many of the countries. Human resource accounting. The first attempt to estimate the money value of human beings was made around 1691 by Sir William Petty. Petty considered labor the father of wealth and thus felt that Labor must be included in any estimate of national wealth. Accordingly, this human asset valuation estimated the value of the stock of human capital by capitalizing the wage bill in perpetuity at the market interest rate. The wage bill was determined by deducting property income from national income. The first truly scientific procedure for finding the money value of human beings was devised in 1853 by Furr. His procedure for estimating capitalized earning capacity was to calculate the present value of an individual's net future earnings. Now we will see what is the meaning of human resource accounting. Human resource accounting is the process of identifying and measuring data about human resources and communicating this information to the interested parties. It is an attempt to identify and report the investments made in human resources of an organization that are currently not accounted for in the conventional accounting practices. The purpose of human resource accounting is to assign a monetary value to either individual employees in an organization or the organization's workforce as a whole. Methods of human resource accounting. 1. Capitalization of historical cost method. 2. Replacement cost method. 3. Opportunity cost method. 4. Economic value method. 5. Standard cost method. 6. Cost benefit methods. 7. Non-monetary methods for human resource accounting. These are all the 7 different methods. Other than these 7 methods, some other methods are also followed. First, capitalization of historical cost method. This approach was developed by William C. Paley and assisted by R. Lee Bremond and Eric G. Flumholtz in 1967. In this approach, the actual cost incurred in recruiting, hiring, training, and developing the organization's human resources is capitalized and amortized over the expected useful life of human resources. Thus, a proper recording of the expenditure made on hiring, selecting, training, and developing the employees is maintained. A proportion of it is written off to the income of the next few years during which human resources will provide service. Replacement cost method. Rensis Likert first developed this approach based on the concept of replacement cost. This method measures the cost to replace an organization's existing human resources. It indicates what it would cost the concern to recruit, hire, and train and develop human resources to match the present level of efficiency. It is more realistic as it incorporates the current value of firm's human resources in its financial statements prepared at the end of the year. Third one, opportunity cost method. This method was first advocated by Kimon and Jones for a company with several divisional heads bidding for the services of various people they need among themselves and then include the bid price in the investment cost. The value of the human resource is determined based on the value of an individual employee in alternative use. If an employee is hired from an external source, there is no opportunity cost to him, but this approach suffers from certain limitations. Economic value method. the value of the human resource is measured based on the contribution they are likely to make to the organization during their employment. Subtracting the total cost of hiring, training, developing, and paying an employee from the estimate of the cash he will generate for the company, you have arrived at his net worth according to the economic value method of HR accounting in this way. Standard cost. In this method of human resource accounting, how this human resource value is calculated. The standard cost method of human resource accounting involves determining the total cost of recruiting and hiring each employee and the cost of any training or development. According to the standard cost method, the economic value of an employee is the total of these expenditures and the annual economic value of the entire workforce is equal to the total amount of money spent on recruiting, hiring, training, and developing all employees during the year. Cost benefit method. Under this method, we can calculate the total estimated benefit which the employee gives to an organization. Then we calculate the total value of the benefit which company gives to the employees, and its difference is a surplus, which is a real value of the human resource asset. Non-monetary methods. The non-monetary methods of assessing the economic value of human resources also measure the human resource, but not in money value or monetary terms. The non-monetary methods may refer to a simple inventory of skills and capabilities of people with the organization, or to the application of some behavioral measurement technique to assess the benefits gained from the human resource of an organization.